Hello again. Today I wanted to show you my Schmincke Horadam Aquarelle set. This is the most professional full pan watercolor set that I have. It costs just under $300. As you can see in the video, you can remove the metal insert and that gives you additional mixing area on the bottom of the palette. However, I don't think that's very practical. To remove each of the full pans, you press them against the tall side of the groove and that releases the pan from the bottom. Thankfully, that's not something that you do very often because it is a tiresome process. As always, it is a good idea to do a color chart. In this particular set, I got two burnt siennas, but if you look at the color chart, the two colors are different. I thought originally that it was from two different batches, but one of them looks more like Indian red and the other one like true burnt sienna, so I don't know what happened there. Buying a professional watercolor set goes beyond saying that you get what you pay for. I used to be a woodworker, and there was a saying there also that good tools inspire you to do good work, and I think that is applicable here for watercolors. If you buy a professional set from the get-go, from the very beginning, then you will take more pride in your work. There is a place for Altoid cans and all sorts of cheaper watercolors. I even have Crayola sets, but they have their own place. The professional set is more for an inspiration to do good work. It lets you know that you want to produce your best with the best tools available.